Hello guys, hello everyone, hello lovely students. How are you? Are you good? Are you great? Are you happy? Are you sleepy? Hope you are doing well. For today we have some new topics. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Dear kids, now open your books, page number 11. Open your books, page number 11. Okay, now let's make a quick review. What letter is this? Is it letter B? No, it isn't. This is letter A. This is letter A. Capital A, small a. Okay, the sound of letter A is A. The sound of letter A is A. Apple. Apple. Okay, now let's go to this one. What letter is this? Is it letter C? No, it isn't. This is letter B. This is letter B. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. And the sound of letter B is B. The sound of letter B is B. Bird. Bird. Okay, let's go to this one. What letter is this? Is it letter D? No, it isn't. This is letter C. This is letter C. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. And the sound of letter C is K. The sound of letter C is K. Cat. Cat. Okay, let's go to the last one. What letter is this? Is it letter C? No, it isn't. We've studied in the previous lesson. This is letter D. This is letter D. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. And the sound of letter D is D. The sound of letter D is D. Dog. Dog. Well done, dears. Now repeat after me. Okay. Apple. Excellent. Bird. Amazing. Cat. Excellent. Dog. Excellent, dears. Now let's go to this chant. Dear kids, now we have this chant, okay? Let's listen to it together. Okay.
16. Listen and chant. This is an apple. Apple. This is a bird.
Guys, it was a nice chant. Okay, now let's read it together. Repeat after me. This is an apple. Apple. This is a bird. Bird. This is a cat. Cat. This is a dog. Dog. Excellent, dears. Now we are going to repeat it like the chant. استشبعوا chantaka دوباره بگینا. Okay. This is an apple. apple. This is a bird. Bird. This is a cat. Cat. This is a dog. Dog. Excellent, dears. Dear kids, look at here. We have this activity. Listen to the sounds. گوێ لە دەنگەکان بگرە and join the letters. پیتەکان بەیەک بگێنە. What has the dog got? سەگەکە چی بەدەست دەهێنێت؟ با بزانین سەگەکە چی بەدەست دەهێنێت. We have this dog. This dog wanna get one of these animals. ئەو سەگە ئەیەوێت یەکێک لەم ئاژەڵانە بەدەست بێنێت. He wanna play with him. Okay? ئەوێ یاری لەگەڵ بکات. Now let's listen to it. ئێستاش با گوێ لێ بگرین.
17. Listen to the sounds and join the letters. Apple. Dog. Bird. Bird. Cat. Dog. Cat.
Oh guys, look at here. The dog wanna get the cat. سەگەکە ئەوێ پشیلەکە بەدەست بێنێ. He wanna play with him. ئەوێ یاری لەگەڵ بکات. Okay dears, now you can do it. Okay? Okay guys, look at here. Now we have this exercise. Let me read it. Read and circle the sounds A, B, K, D at the start of the words. بیخوێنەرەوە و بیکەرە بازنەوە ئەم دەنگانە کە لە سەرەتای وشەکانایە. مەبەستی دەنگی A, B, K, D. واتە تۆ هەر کاتێک گوێت لەم دەنگانە بوو لە سەرەتای وشەیە ئەیکەیتە بازنەوە. تۆ زانی سەرەتای وشە چییە؟ Okay, look at here. Look at this word dog. Dog. Letter D سەرەتای وشەکەیە. Letter D سەرەتای وشەکەیە. باشە؟ Okay. Look at the example cat. Cat. Letter C is the start of the word. Letter C is the start of the word. Letter C سەرەتای وشەکەیە. باشە؟ کاتە ئەگەر ئێمە گوێمان لە دەنگی کێ بوو لە سەرەتای وشەکەیە ئاوایکەینە سەرکەڵەوە. یاخود D ئەیکەینە سەرکەڵەوە. Okay. Now let's read it. The. Do we have any of these letters? The. No, skip it. Cat. Cat. We have the sound of K at the start of the word, so we have to circle it. Okay. Likes. We don't have any of these letters here at the start of the word, so skip it. هیچ لترێکی هیچ ساوندێکی A, B, K, D مانیە لەبەرەوە بیپەڕێن سکیپیەکەین. Birds. Birds. So we have to circle B. We have to circle B. Okay, dears? Now let's go to the second sentence. The. We don't have any of these letters, so skip it. Dog. Dog. Okay, circle letter D. Circle letter D. Okay. Let's go to likes again. We don't have any of these sounds in this word, so skip it. Apples. Apple. So we have to circle A. Okay. Let's go to the third sentence. hears, hears. We don't have any of these sounds here, so skip it. The, okay, cat, cat, so circle k. Okay, with, we don't have any of these letters here, so skip it. Okay, the, we don't have any of these sounds. Bird, bird, so we have to circle bird, the letter B at the start of bird. Okay, let's go to the last one. Here's the dog, dog, so circle D. Okay, with the apple, apple, so circle A, circle A. Okay dears, now you can write it down. Dear kids, now look at here. Open your books, page number 12. Page 12. Okay, look at this picture. Look at this picture. How many school things do you see in this picture? چند شتی قطابخانه أبینی لموێنەیە؟ Excellent. I can see a school bag. I can see a school bag. جانتایەکی قوتابخانە ئەبینم. I see a pencil. قەڵەمێکیش ئەبینم. I see 2 pens. دوو جافیش ئەبینم. And I also see a rubber. وەلاستیکێکیش ئەبینم. Okay. Today I'm gonna teach you one more thing. Look at here. This is called pencil case. This is called pencil case. أما بيوتريت pencil case. بكردي بيلين محفظة. What's a pencil case? Pencil case yeah. Pencil case is a small bag or a small box that we keep our pencil, pens and rubber in it. Pencil case جانتایەک یاخود بۆکسێکی بچووکە کە ئێمە قەڵەم و لاستیک و جافەکانمانی تیا هەڵەگرین بۆ ئەوەی ون نەبێت. Okay, now repeat after me. Pencil case. Pencil case. Excellent dear. Now tell me, do you have any pencil case? The pencil case sit here? Excellent. You can say, I have a green pencil case, or I have a blue pencil case, or I have a pink pencil case. Whatever you have. أتواني بلاي pencil case يكي سورم هيا شينم هيا هر رنجك هتا. Okay dear. Now this beautiful girl is talking about her school things. أنت تجوانا باسي شتكاني قطابخاني من بوكات. Her name is Emma. ناوي Emma. Now let's listen to her. باقويلي بقرين.
18. Listen and read.
My name's Emma. This is my school bag. This is my pencil case. It's green. And this is my pencil. This is my blue pen. And this is my pink pen. Look at this. It's a rubber. Can I see your bag?
Dear kids, now look at here. I'm gonna read it again. سيري إعراب كان من أمي دوباره بيخوان معه. Okay, the first one. My name is Emma. This is my school bag. The second one. This is my pencil case. It is green. Her pencil case. The third one. And this is my pencil. This is my pencil. The fourth one. This is my blue pen and this is my pink pen. This is my blue pen and this is my pink pen. Let's go to the fifth one. Look at this. It's a rubber. Look at this. It's a rubber. The last one. Can I see your bag? Can I see your bag? Okay. Guys, now I wanna translate it for you. يصيرش أميت بوتام كم بكردي. My name is Emma. وأتمناهم إيمايا. This is my school bag. أما جانتي قطاب خانما. This red one. أم صورة. Okay. The second one. This is my pencil case. It's green. أماش pencil case كمو رنگ كيس صوصة. The third one. And this is my pencil. وأماش قلم كما. The fourth one. This is my blue pen and this is my pink pen. أما جافة شينا كما وأماش جافة بمية كما. The fifth one. Look at this. It's a rubber. سيري أما بكا. أما لاستيكا. Can I see your bag? أتوانم جانتاكي تو ببينم. She asks her friend, Can I see your bag? برسالة هاوركيكا. الله أتوانم جانتاكي ببينم. Okay dears, now I'm gonna read it again and repeat after me. إذا من دوباره يخوانمو لدواي من بيليروا. Okay. My name's Emma. Well done. This is my school bag. Okay. The second one. This is my pencil case. It's green. Excellent. And this is my pencil. The fourth one. This is my blue pen. And this is my pink pen. Okay, the fifth one. Look at this. It's a rubber. Can I see your bag? Oh, excellent, dears. Now you can read this. Now, dear kids, you can read this 3 times. Okay, you have to read it 3 times. Okay, now let's go to this exercise. Exercise. Okay, we have to take those school things that we saw in the picture. School thing يعني لو شتاني قطاب خانة كلا picture كها بيني من. Okay dears, the first one, pencil. Did we see any pencil? I am a قلم من بيني. Yes, of course. So we have to tick. Okay. The first one was done. Let's go to the second one. Did we see pen? Did we see pen? I am a جاف من بيني. Excellent. Yes, of course. So tick. Okay, let's go to the third one. Book. Did we see any book in the picture? أما هيج كتاب ما بيني لرسمك يا. Excellent. No, we didn't see any books. So cross. Well done, dears. Let's go to the fourth one. Did we see any folder in the picture? أما هيج folder ما بيني. Excellent. You should cross because we didn't see any folder. Okay, let's go to the fifth one. Door. Did we see any door in the picture? No. Excellent. So cross. Let's go to the last one. Rubber. Did we see any rubber? Yes, of course. Now we can see it. Okay, take a rubber. Now write it in your books. Okay, dears? Dear kids, now look at this exercise. Open your bag, ask and answer. Jantakat bkarawa, persarko walambaro. Look at these two girls. One of them is asking and the other one is answering. Yeki kan persarko ayutisha walamadato. She says, "What's this?" Okay. This girl says it's a ruler. Amkchayan alet amachia awitirishan ale raste. Okay. Now let me ask you a question. What's this? It's a marker. It's a marker. Well done. What's this? It's a ruler. Okay. Now you can practice this exercise at home. Atwani lemalo am exercise kit. Okay. Now let's go to the next exercise. Writing preparation. Writing preparation. Okay. Count the words in each sentence. Count the word in each sentence. Wata wushakan bishmere leharrasteka. Look at this sentence. Seriam rasteka. We have to count the words one by one. Peyusta wushakan yek bek bishmerin. Look at here. One word. We should write one. Is 2 word, 3 word, 4 word. So in this sentence we have 4 words. Lam rasteya emetshwar wushaman here. So we should write 4. We should write 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words. Now let's go to the first one. Istashbabchin boya kam dana. This is my pen. How many words do we have in this sentence? Chan wushaman heya lam rasteya. Look. This, okay, is my pen. We can say we have 4 words. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should write 4 in this space. Okay. Let's go to the third one. Babchimbo Sandana. How many words do we have? Chan wushaman here. Okay, look at here. 1 word, 2 word. 1, 2. Thank you. Okay, so we should write 2. We should write 2. And look at this one. How many words do we have here? Chan wushaman he lerea. 1 word, 2 word, and 3 word. So write 3. Look at the fourth one. Close the door. How many words do we have? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Write 3. The fifth one and the 6th one for yourself. You have to do it at home. Okay? Guys, now I'm going to tell you your homework. You have to do all the exercises of page 11, 12, 13 in your workbooks. كل كانم پێویستە هەموو ئەکسەرسایزەکانی لاپەڕا 11 و 12 و 13 لە کتێبی وەرکبووکەکانتانە حل بکەن. If you have any question, you can ask. And that was all about our today's lesson. Goodbye, see you.